Welcome, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. Following a car collision, one of the factors that you want to take a look at is whether or not the condition of the road may have contributed to the collision itself. Here's the reason why. If you've suffered serious and significant injuries and the other person's insurance is insufficient to cover all your losses, you're going to want to look at all possible sources of potential recovery. One of those sources has to do with the conditions of the road, or in other words, whether a government agency may have liability or responsibility for causing that accident. Let me give you an example. If you have bushes and trees that have overgrown a particular area, and maybe those bushes and trees overgrew a stop sign, so the stop sign was not visible to the oncoming vehicle, that could have contributed to that person missing the intersection and causing the collision. The city may in fact have responsibility, at least in part, for the injuries and losses suffered by you because they did not cut back the bushes that covered the stop sign. That's one example. Another example might be if you're riding a motorcycle, for example, and there's a major pothole that's clearly been there for a long time, has not been resolved, and you strike that in the middle of the night and you fly forward into an oncoming vehicle. The city may very well have responsibility, or the state, or whoever's responsible for that particular roadway may have responsibility for your injuries, not just the person who struck you when you fell off your motorcycle. So when you've been involved in an accident, take a look at the conditions of the road, the surrounding conditions of the area, if you can, to help determine whether or not there may be some other source of potential recovery if you've suffered a serious injury.